All right, Big Mama, Little Mama, here it is. Slip sliding away. Little Mama's off to the water. Big Mama, you better catch up. There she goes. She is off. Come on, Big Mama. You gotta catch up. Little Mama's beating you.
There she goes.
Oh, there she goes. Say, we are free. Oh, and there they go. Little Mama's going on. Look at that. Look at Little Mama go off under the water.
It's hard to believe she's 15 years old.
Man, Little Mama's going clear across the pond. She's always been our adventurous one. Where'd your buddy go, Big Mama? Where'd she go? Does anybody see where Big Mama? Oh, there's Big Mama over there. I see her poking up her head. She's over there. See her in the middle of the pond? She's sticking her nose up.
Yep.
They're going to do just fine. They'll eat your little mosquito larvae and stuff in the summer.
Will they eat crawdads?
I don't know if they'll eat crawdads or not.
There's a mess of crawdads in here.
There goes Big Mama again. Oh, I'm so happy they've got a place outside of those tanks. Bye, Big Mama, Little Mama.